So over here, you can see that I have a bunch of text. And if you want to make them clickable, that is, you want to add link to it, then you can go around, select out a text you want, or you can select out the entire text box if you want to make link for the entire text box as well. So once you select it out, you can click on add link. So once you do that, you can go around and type in http www.youtube.com, just like this. So I'm going to go around and do that and type in TutorTube. So this is the link to my YouTube channel. So I'm just going to go around and click on apply. And what happens is that you see an underline over here denoting it is a hyperlink, that is a clickable text. So once you go around, click on the link icon right here, you can see that it actually opens up another tab with that particular URL, as you can see right here. So let me just close this, and you can see that this is the link. And if you want to remove it, what you can do is you can simply go around over here. So while you're editing it, you can simply select this. On the bottom, you can see there's the link. You can click on remove link and it'll be removed, and you will be able to see that the underline is gone as well, which denotes that the hyperlink is not there anymore. So that is how you can work around with text hyperlinks inside of Prezi Design. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.